His real name is Yongyut. Nickname, he is also known as Boat Yongyut. Date of birth, October 9, 1996. He is currently 29 years old. He was born in Thailand. Nationality, he is a Thai by nationality. Profession, he is an actor, model and internet personality by profession. Years active from 2020 till present. Height, he is 5 feet and 6 centimeters tall. Weight, his weight is 68 kilograms. Zodiac sign, his zodiac sign is Libra. Marital status, he is unmarried. Boyfriend's affairs, according to Google, he is dating Ott. Net worth, his net worth is $3 million approximately.
Her real name is Sarocha Chen Kimha. She is also known as Freen Sarocha. Date of birth 8 August 1998. Present age, she is currently 27 years old. She was born in Bangkok, Thailand. She is a Thai by nationality. She is an actress, model and singer by profession. Years active from 2020 to present. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her weight is 47 kilograms. Her ethnicity is Asian. Her zodiac sign is Leo. Marital status, he is unmarried. Boyfriend affairs, according to Google, she is dating Sanguichai. Maybe it's rumor. Her net worth is $4 million approximately.